Hello, viewers. I am here to describe three books that I think my students will enjoy. This first book is called Just Me and My Mom. It is by Mercer Mayer and it is leveled for pre-K through second grade students. In the story, it is telling us about different adventures that little critter goes on in the city. He learns that there are certain things that you cannot touch. The lesson in this story is just basically to say that we should enjoy spending time with our mom. I would have the students to create a picture in their journal and they can tell us about the time that they went on an adventure with their mom or even their dad. This is two books in one. So I would read both of the books so that they can have more of a variety on what they want to draw and talk about with the class. This next book is called A Bad Case of Stripes. It is by David Shannon and it is leveled for pre-K through third grade. In this story, Camilla Cream is scared of what people think about her. So she will do things that is out of her character, but she wants to fit in with her friends. For the activity that I would do with this story is to have the students create a self-portrait of themselves using arts and crafts. After they have created the self-portrait, I will allow them to talk about different things that make them who they are, like their family or their friends or things they enjoy doing. For this last story, I will be talking about I Am Enough. It is by Grace Byers and it is leveled for pre-K to third grade. This story is about a girl who knows that we are not the same, but that does not dictate our worth. We can do whatever we want to do as long as we believe. For the activity that I will do with this story is to have the students create a self-esteem mobile. The mobile will consist of hangers, string, and hearts. The strings and the hearts would be pre-cut. I will allow the students to color a picture of 4 things that they enjoy about themselves or they like to do. I will glue the hearts onto the string and then put the strings onto the hangers. This will also allow me to talk to the students about bullying. After I finish this activity, we will all discuss the activity and the bullying issues and accept each other based on their differences. Thank you for watching.